a morning weekend fisherman here. I'm out here at Baker Beach today with More Than Fishing over there. Setting up this awesome event, and we've got quite a few people out here. You can see a lot on that side, and then a few over here. I got John and Vladimir over there. So yeah, so it's a good day today. And guess what? My personal best was 6.5 inch Dungeness from the pier, and at Baker I finally landed a 7. Look at that, right here, 7-incher. Missing one claw, but that's okay. It's a big piece of meat right here, man. Hell yeah, this is good stuff. Happy. Wow, looks like I'm landing a crab here, but you can see that it actually not a crab. I have no idea how this happened, but I seems like to have snared somebody else snare, and caught it right on the spider.
Hey John,
on my
I got your snare
from my snare. So, and I think this is John Reed crab snare here. So yeah, talk about snaring somebody else near the water. Current is, I think, taking it to the right at this time, so I cast it to about 10 o'clock to my left, but it ended up way like 2 to 3 o'clock to the right. So yeah, strong current.
Is this yours? That's yours, right, John? It was so heavy, I thought I landed a crab.
Did it get all tangled up?
It tangled up on your on the spider weight. I did the other one, not this one though. Is it this one?
Is that on braid?
Do I have it? Nope. Lost it. Oh, if I had, it was lost. It was heavy. Oh, I do have something on there. Oh, red. Nice red. I think this is a female. Probably the same one I caught earlier. I'm not keeping her. So, whether it's Dungeness or not, I'm not keeping it. So you just get to go back.
Here's the game, okay? I'm just gonna throw a question, and then one of you would write the answer on the iPhone or any phone that I got paper. Oh, he's gonna be the fastest with this one, right? All right. On your notes. He's all I got. So for example, I'll ask a question. Name me list names of the president of the United States. So list as many as you can. Whoever has the most answer wins. Which word?
That's too much.
Too much. Too much questions. Okay, we got only 5 questions. Okay, I'm gonna throw 5 questions. Only 5 questions. Trust me, it's gonna be easy. Okay, first question. Are you ready? No Google search. Okay.
I'll Google it.
Only one person. I mean, only one note on what person.
Oh, okay.
So,
One note. Got it.
One note taker can do it.
yeah, only one note. So, when I say stop, no more. Okay. All right. First question. So, as many answers as you can. Okay. Second place, 2 points, and then the third place, 1 point, and then the rest no points. Okay, within 5 questions. Okay, first question: name or list. List.
Louder.
As many as you can, because we're gonna count it. You got 30 seconds, by the way. Yes, 7, yeah, I know. All right.
That's 7.
2 more questions.
7.
2 more questions. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop!
I think we got a
All right,
chance.
give me all your phone. Give me all your phone.
Stop typing.
We got way more than 6. Ask a question that you had to be following MTF on the threads that people would know. Ask a question about your webpage that people would have to follow MTF would know the answer to. That'd be your question.